The BJP's stellar performance in the Maharashtra local body elections is not stand-alone. It seems to be part of a wave that has been sweeping across several states in North India where similar elections have been held in recent months, particularly during the post-demonetization period. Incidentally, it started with by-polls for some seats in Maharashtra, but it quickly spread across Gujarat, Rajasthan, Chandigarh and Madhya Pradesh. And now Odisha is the latest regional party bastion that seems to be crumbling in the face of the BJP's juggernaut. Take a look.
The BJP's victory march across states and local body polls has notched up another unprecedented success in Odisha. 5-phase elections were held in the state for Zilla Parishad, Sarpanch, Panchayat Samiti and ward members. And the biggest takeaway from the results has been the BJP's massive upsurge, its number of seats jumping by an astounding 850% compared to the 2012 contest. The fifth and final phase of polling, which took place on Tuesday, saw the BJP getting a majority in 8 Zilla Parishads. The ruling BJD won 16 of the total of 30 Zilla Parishads. The Congress emerged the biggest loser, winning just 1 Zilla Parishad. The BJP added 268 seats to its tally in these elections, while the BJD retreated from 651 to 462. The Congress's tally diminished to 64 in 2017 from 129 in 2012. BJP's dramatically boosted performance has come at the cost of BJD in several tribal areas such as Kalahandi, Mayurbhanj, Malkangiri, Bolangir, Sonepur, Sambalpur, Bhargarh and Devgarh. Elated party members dubbed its performance as a neon-lit sign of times to come.
बीजू जनता दल 17 साल से भ्रष्टाचार में लिप्त है, लोगों को बहुत तकलीफ दिया है और वहाँ का कानून व्यवस्था ठीक नहीं है, महिला के ऊपर में दिनों दिन अत्याचार बढ़ते जा रहा है। तो एक टाइप का भारतीय जनता पार्टी वहाँ एक मेजर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के रूप में उभर के आया है।
The Odisha Zilla Parishad polls witnessed a 77% turnout among voters. The BJP's state unit believes the results reflect support for demonetization among the poor and backward sections. For both BJD and Congress, grim lessons have emerged from these polls. While the National Party has been pushed to number 3 spot in the state, the regional party could not have got a better reality check midway through its 4th successive 5-year rule in the state. Newsnight Desk, DD News.